This week to start, we got some of the durable goods report that seems strong, but it was actually weaker after you look a little more closely. Core durable goods were actually flat when considering the downward revisions. And altogether, these numbers actually could be another sign that consumer spending is slowing down. Target came out. They said they're going to cut prices on thousands of frequently purchased items, which could be good for inflation, but really pretty minor in the grand scheme of things. Now, with that being said, it does confirm challenges in the retail world and also shows how stressed consumers are. But in the housing market, we saw activity pick up and more inventory come to market, which is typically, seasonal, but it will, of course, lead to more transactions. And when mortgage rates come down, we're going to see a lot of pent-up demand released, and homes will move even quicker, and prices will move even higher. The Fed's minutes basically said that there's going to be ongoing discussions about the pace of the balance sheet runoffs, which will impact interest rates moving forward. The Federal Reserve speakers continue to take a cautious approach. Basically means rates are going to be higher for longer unless significant changes are seen in the labor market or if inflation trends move downward. But we're really needing to see weakness in the job market since inflation alone is not going to get the Fed to cut. But the jobless claims were mixed, and we got initial claims slightly down, but continuing claims rose a bit. So we'd really like to see unemployment rate get to 4.2% or higher. And inflation's still important, and we're going to get the Fed's favorite measure of inflation, PCE, next week, as well as new and existing home sales. But one thing I did want to mention is that the VA is going to be making a significant change to a rule that's kept veterans from paying agents, which would have made it difficult for people to buy with a VA loan after these changes to how realtors are compensated. But if you've got any questions or if I can help in any way, just say the word. See you next week and have a great Memorial Day weekend.